In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word and create your own passport photos. If you need a 2x2 photo for a form, application, identification, or other document, you can arrange your picture in Microsoft Word and create a simple printable layout. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click Pictures, then choose This Device to locate the photo you want to use on your computer. Select your picture and click Insert. The photo will now appear inside your Word document. Next, click on the picture to display the picture format options. Look for the Size section and adjust the picture dimensions. Set the height and width of the picture to 2 inches. Make sure the picture is square so that it has the correct 2x2 inch dimensions. If necessary, you can also adjust the picture position on the page so it is easier to arrange and print. Once the first 2x2 picture is ready, you can create additional copies of the same picture on the page. This allows you to print several 2x2 photos on a single sheet instead of using a separate page for each picture. Arrange the copies neatly on the page and leave enough space between them so they can be separated after printing. Before printing, check the document carefully. Make sure each picture has the correct 2x2 inch size and that the photos are positioned properly on the page. You can also use the print preview to check how the pictures will appear on the printed page. This is useful for making sure the photos are arranged correctly before you print the final page. Once everything looks correct, go to the File tab and select Print. Check your printer settings and make sure the correct paper size is selected. Then print the page containing your 2x2 pictures. After printing, you can carefully cut around each photo using the printed layout as a guide. Keep in mind that photo requirements can vary depending on the purpose of the picture. Some applications may have specific requirements for background, lighting, facial position, and other details, so make sure your photo meets the requirements for its intended use. And that's how you can make a 2x2 picture in Microsoft Word and arrange multiple copies on a page for printing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,